Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, um, Trade Shark, and I'm Sunil here. So this video is going to be very interesting because I'll be talking about the Nifty Bank Nifty levels which we discussed during the last couple of weeks and how it exactly honored all these levels. That is number one. And number two, I would like to cover some knowledge base or some uh, introduction to Elliot Waves and why that is very important in technical analysis. Okay, so before we begin, this channel is purely for stock market educational purpose, and as you know, trading, investing in share market is subject to market risks. I always recommend that you please consult your financial advisor before taking any trade or invest. Okay, this is the important disclaimer. With that, let's straight jump into the Nifty. Okay. So as we discuss since last couple of weeks, right? These two levels were very important, right? This one is a 25,080 and this 24,849. So as I had said earlier that this will toggle. Okay, it will take some support here, bounce back a little bit and come down. So exactly that's what has happened. Okay, and the one thing to notice here is it has even closed below this level. So it will be interesting to see if it will further go down or it will bounce back from here and toggle in between two levels. That is for Nifty. So it actually went ahead exactly what we had talked about earlier. And this is Bank Nifty, and it is also, if you see, it has honored these levels. Precisely it worked between these levels. Okay, and I have also drawn few blue line levels. Those are intraday levels. Typically, as market unfolds, even though we have drawn the levels which are market trade before the market starts, but as the market unfolds, it creates new supply demand levels, and those becomes again very prominent. And why those are prominent, you will get to know. Okay, especially when you do intraday. So I'm moved to 15-minute chart. So if you see on Wednesday, okay, so this red level was already drawn way before, right? It is 56,748. See, market never went down below this level. If, in fact, there was no candle which is closing below this. So if you can buy futures or buy a call or sell put, sit back and relax, and you will get this, excellent rally, right? Till at least this red level. This blue is again drawn. This is intraday level. Exactly, it went ahead and achieved this target. And if you see here, the the risk to reward ratio is fantastic. Okay, it's almost 4.48. So if you invest or trade 1 rupee, you're bound to get 4.48 against 1 rupee. Okay, and same thing here, you can short as on the next day, that is 24th July. It never went above this level. Okay, and this 57,147 level, there is a lot of rejection. So you can sell call, buy put, or sell future, and sit back and relax, get a fantastic downtrend here. So again, coming back to this important point, without any indicators or anything, if you know the levels very well, okay, those really work excellent in this scenario. Okay, and you don't have to really look at the market always, and just simply put the order here and wait for the target. So this again, these were the levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, as we discussed. So it will keep on toggling between this. So I feel Bank Nifty will go till 56,147 at this moment. But again, it may be like this, not directly down. Okay, so it will bounce back a little and then go down. So this was about Bank Nifty and Nifty levels. Coming back with the stock of the week, there is one stock called Sirma HGS Technology. Now, this stock has appeared in my couple of screeners at least. This is one of the very fantastic stocks which I can say it is very, very bullish. And why I say bullish? Uh, because of Elliot Wave principles and some other parameters which I can see. So I will quickly introduce what Elliott wave is. Okay. So now, if you see here the structure, okay, this is the higher low. HL is higher low. This is another higher low. Okay. So usually the Dow theory is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again it is forming another higher high, right? Now, the Elliott wave, the wave structure is typically one, two, three, four, five. Okay, and always remember the wave three is the strongest wave, the best wave where you can get into, and fifth wave is extended. So this is also where we can capitalize on the market movement. Okay, so here let's apply it. Now typically here, if you can see this is first wave, this is second, and this is third going on. Okay, then fourth could be coming till this level and then go to the fifth level. Now again, the fifth can go till 840. Okay, this is, but here either it will take support at 714 or 664. Time will decide. Okay, now this third wave is again will be broken down into five wave structure. So this is a little bit complex, but try and understand. Okay, so this is one, two, this is three, and maybe four, and then fifth will end here. Okay, so why what this wave is currently is a third of third. Okay, so this is very important. This is the strongest wave among this particular upside. Okay, similarly third of fifth is will be also very important here. So I know within 5 minutes you won't get to learn the Elliott wave completely. If I get number of likes and subscribe, I would definitely do a video where you can learn Elliott waves. But this is just overall very high level structure, how it looks like, and that's the reason I'm saying that this stock is really looking very good. So look for the levels of 840. Again, the support here 714 and 664. Another stock which we discussed during last time, it is the Nestle India. Now, if you see, actually we were expecting a upside, okay, from here, and it was supposed to take support at these levels, but it didn't, and it simply took it as a resistance, and it really fall down very badly, right? Now, if you can see why stop loss is so important, like when you trade or invest, these levels were the stop loss, right? If you don't take a stop loss, just see this 1 day candle. It has taken out profit for last at least 20-25 trading days in single day. Okay, so it is so important that you work with a stop loss. Now it will be interesting to see what are the next levels. So I will come up with the details for this stock. Okay. One more stock I would like to discuss is Torrent Pharmaceuticals. Now, if you see, this is again trading at the highest uh, price ever, but it is still having very bullish signs, and you have to go with a stop loss of 3473. Okay, and it will definitely bounce from this particular level mostly. So watch out this level, and again further supports are 3329 and 3273. So it will be interesting to see how it goes from here. So at least 3800 level can be achieved. So this is also one more stock which is looking really good. So, in summary, so what we studied today is very important. Number one, the stop losses are the key. They are your friends. Okay, risk to reward ratio. If you cut down the risk, that is the best possible way to trade or invest, because if you cut the losses, your gains will run. Okay, that is very important. Second thing, we studied basic, very basic of Elliot wave, how the structure works. I know it's not sufficient time to explain, but definitely I will do one more video for Elliot waves. Okay, so thanks for watching, and share, and subscribe to my channel, and wish you very happy trading week ahead. Thank you.